back, and the lipstick that I will be making today goes by the name of Creep. Scraping the base around the bowl to make sure I don't have any clumps within the base. If you are interested in making lipstick, I do have lipstick kits that are available, 3 different styles for whatever fits your need or your budget. Titanium dioxide helps with that color payoff in the end. It's going to make that color pop. Remember to scrape that bowl every time you're mixing in any ingredient. You do not want streaks left around the bowl within the mixture itself, because it will show once you add your lake dye. Having a hand mixer nearby is great. It helps the mixing process move faster, and also you get that perfect blend to have no streaks left behind. At first I was using regular Isododecane, but it made the drying process for the matte lipstick longer. The wait time was initially around 2 to 3 hours, but I found an ingredient and I added it to the Isododecane, so it cut the drying time down within 10 minutes. So that's why it's called Isododecane Twist and not just Isododecane. Every time I make Creep, I look at the pink color that the red mica makes when mixed with the titanium dioxide, and I like it. I think I'm going to make that into a lipstick color itself. Whenever you add more of the Isododecane Twist, it will change the initial color that you had at first. So you may need to go back in and add some more mica or some more lake dye, just depending on what color you're making and what all you're using. Because my main color comes from the Aluminum Lake Red number 40, I'm not going to add any more of the mica. That was just my base color. Kaolin Clay is going to help thicken the mixture up. Right now it's a liquid consistency, but I want more of a cream texture. This is what the color looks like before it begins to dry. I'm going to insert a picture to show you the difference between the classic and the matte. Of course, the matte is dry to the touch and the classic is wet and shiny.